Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing very well. So welcome to our science class for your homework. Remember your homework from yesterday. So you're supposed to finish page 345 and 346. If you couldn't finish before this video, please finish this page and then check this video, okay? So if you finish, let's check your answer together. First of all, please open page 345. It's asking for use the terms in the box to complete the sentences. There are 4 different terms here: axis, revolution, rotation, and tide. If you cannot remember them, please check the page. So, first one is say, Earth takes 24 hours to complete one full watt. I know Earth rotates on its axis to complete a day in 24 hours. So, the most important one, the right one will be rotation. Good. So, what about the second sentence? It say, Earth changes from season to season as it continues its trip around the sun, which is called A or N. I know seasons are determined as Earth revolves around the sun. So, revolves, we said revolves. So my answer will be revolution. Good job. So what about third sentence? It say, the way the moon's gravity changes the height of the ocean is known as the something. What is it? I know tides are influenced by the moon's gravity. So what I say? Tide. So I need to write here tide. Tide is the most appropriate one for this blank. So let's check fourth sentence. It say the seasons on Earth change because of the tilt of Earth's what is it? I know because of Earth's tilted axis, the amount of sunlight parts of Earth receive changes at different times of the year. So Earth's what? Earth's axis. Good job. Okay, let's check question 5. It says Misha spends much of his time at the beach. He collects shells. If he gets there too late, the ocean water covers the shells. What is happening at Misha's beach while he collects shells? Okay, let's read the answers together. It says the moon is above the ocean at his beach. Water is falling downhill onto the shells. The tide is low when he looks for shells. The moon's gravity is pushing the ocean onto the beach. Which one is the right one? What do you think? We can say if Misha arrives too late, his beach and pool will be covered in water because it is high tide. So it means right now it's happening. The tide is low when he looks for shells, right? Good. What about question 6? It say Mia's family is meeting in Montana for a reunion. Mia learned in school that winters in Montana are cold and snowy. She also learned that Montana is farther north than many other states. So, what is the main reason Montana has such cold winters? Let's read the answers. Montana is closer to the sun than other states. Montana is covered by clouds in the winter. Montana gets too much direct sunlight in the winter. Montana does not get much direct sunlight in the winter. Guys, Montana experiences cold winters because the sun is hitting the area indirectly. So, my answer will be D, because Montana does not get much direct sunlight in the winter. Because of that, it's cold in the winter. Right now, please open page 346. Let's read the question 7. It say, Mr. Perez students are learning about the phases of the moon. They made this sequence in a model to show the phases the moon goes through over a 2-week period. Which statement best describes the changes in the moon's phases during this time? Let's read them. The moon is waxing from a new moon to a full moon. B. The moon is waning from a new moon to a full moon. C. The moon is waxing from a full moon to a new moon. D. The moon is waning from a full moon to a new moon. Remember our 4 main phases: new moon, full moon, first quarter, and third quarter moon. Okay, so if I check this picture, I can say Mr. Perez class should understand that a waxing moon gets larger and a waning moon gets smaller. So in this one, the moon is waxing from a new moon to a full moon. Good. What about question 8? It says Earth's relationship to the sun influences the length of our days. Which best explains this relationship? It says Earth revolves around the sun every 24 hours. The sun revolves around Earth every 24 hours. The sun shines on Earth for 12 hours each day. Earth rotates on its axis with part of Earth getting sunlight. Which one is the right one? Remember day and night. It's related with revolution or rotation. Perfect. It's related with rotation. So Earth rotates on its axis with part of Earth getting sunlight. Good job. What about question 9? Let's read it. Sarah asked her parents why we have 4 seasons. She already understood that one of the poles is tilted toward the sun during summer and winter. Sarah is confused about spring and fall. How did her parents explain these seasons? Let's read the answers. It says the poles are less tilted toward or away from the sun during these seasons. Both the top and bottom halves of Earth are tilted toward the sun. Earth stops revolving around the sun during spring and fall. Earth rotates away from the sun for 2 seasons during the year. Which one is the right one? What do you think? Sarah's parents reinforced that one pole is tilted toward and the other away from the sun in the summer and winter. Right? So, which one is the right one? What do you think? So, we can say A, right? The poles are less tilted toward or away from the sun during these seasons. Good job. Okay, let's read question 10. It says the diagram below shows Earth's rotation on its axis. It also shows Earth's revolution around the sun. What changes in this diagram during Earth's rotation and revolution? What is change? So, let's read the answers. The sun begins to revolve around Earth. The part of Earth tilted toward the sun changes. Earth changes the direction of its rotation on its axis. Earth changes the direction of its revolution around the sun. Which one is the right one? What do you think? The only thing that changes during Earth's rotation and revolution is that different portions of Earth are tilted toward the sun. So, which one is right? B. The part of Earth tilted toward the sun changes. This is the only one thing that changes during Earth's rotation and revolution. Good job. Thank you so much. Take care of you.